Hi, in this video you'll learn how to affect only the parent of objects and not all the objects along in transformations. I'll be using the 2.81 version of Blender. Now, if you parent some objects to another object and then transform the parent object, the transformations also affect the children. To visualize this, let's create a similar setup as in the previous video with 3 cubes. So, Shift D to duplicate, Shift D to duplicate. That's enough. Now let's parent the 2 duplicates to the original cube. You can do it now directly in the outliner. So, select the 2 duplicates. If you select multiple objects here, you should hold down Ctrl. And now, holding down Shift, you can drag them onto cube. So now cube is the parent, and the 2 duplicates are its children. Fine. And now select the parent, this is the parent, and apply the 3 transformations to it one by one. First, grabbing. We are just grabbing the parent, but the children move along. Escape. Rotating. We are actually rotating the parent, but the children are rotated along. And scaling. We are scaling the parent, but the children are scaled too. Fine. You can change this behavior so that the transformations apply only to the parent. You can do it in object mode. And to do so, let's open the side panel, options, transform options, and now check parents here. Fine. Now, if we apply the 3 transformations, the children will not be affected, just the parent. Let's try it out. Let's grab. As you can see, we have still the dotted lines here, so these 2 duplicates are still the children of the box, but we are actually only grabbing the original cube. Fine. The same goes with rotating and scaling. Only the parent is affected. If you uncheck parents here, things will get back to normal. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.